Sunny Elevator inherits the exceptional German manufacturing craftsmanship, introduces internationally advanced production equipment, and integrates cutting-edge German elevator design concepts. Backed by a first-class team of R&D, design, production, and on-site service professionals, it delivers safe, reliable, and high-performance elevators and escalators to a wide range of clients. Through its premium services, Sunny Elevator injects international product standards and operational expertise into modern cities. Bolstered by advanced management models and innovative technologies, the company integrates advantageous resources to continuously enhance its core competitiveness, leading the development trend of the elevator industry and bringing users an extraordinary German-style quality experience, which remains the unwavering pursuit of Sunny Elevator.